So if we go on to a dollar, or excuse me, the day chart, as you can see right now, that 28,953 is that last little support before we get a nice little tumble down to 27 or whatever, right? You got 26,503 that you'll be looking at next. And that's also a good level to dollar cost average in. And you'll be looking at 23,769 as the next level. And if it does drop to that part, then yeah, you're definitely looking at some good areas to start dollar cost averaging in. But I mean, it's the way it's dropping. You got three levels, one, two, and then at that point you're looking at like 19,000 again. Do I think we get that far? I don't know. Only time will tell. So, Bitcoin is dropping and it is allowing you the opportunity to dollar cost average in so that you can ride the wave back up. And it's, man, you got some other coins that are really giving you opportunities, like Moody said. Man, you got Ethereum giving you an opportunity. You got Avi giving you an opportunity. You know what I mean? Avi is at $174 right now. So Avi's definitely giving you an opportunity to buy in. Yeah, I know I'm about to go look at that next. And Chainlink is definitely a good one as well too. So if Avi drops below that 160, then you probably can get a little more at 124. So it's definitely two down on the day. And it's definitely, as you can see, it's heading into a downtrend. Uh, Also, we look at chain link. Dang it, it's not the chart that I want. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go with, yes, I'm gonna have to go with Tether. Oh, dang, that's another nice one. Man, Chainlink is back at $15. So I don't know why you wouldn't want to have the Oracle token. I mean, the Oracle token is what Ethereum runs off of. You know what I mean? So I would definitely get into Chainlink because it's a good coin to have. It's two down as well. That's so as you can see, like all of the coins are on a pullback. GRT token, the Google the analytical tool for the blockchain is sitting at 45 cents. I don't know why you wouldn't want to get into that coin as well. You're at 42 cents. Got a nice little level of support, so they might be found this bottom right here at 174. Two down, as you can see for the day, it's been slowly changing into a downtrend. So these are some good coins that you can definitely dollar cost average in and build your portfolio because this is the time to do it. It's definitely the time to do it. Any other questions? Oh, let's go to Ethereum. Just to look at the gas prices. So as you can see, Ethereum on the 1 hour, it's definitely in a dip. Man, if you look at the 1 hour, like it's been heading into a downtrend since, what's this, June 15th? It's been downtrending. So if we go to the day candle, power move up, then drop back. Now it's kind of been consolidating in this one little zone. And now it has just broke through that one level of support, which was the looks like it was the 60 the day and the quarter highs. And now it just broke back down, heading back to 1550 probably. So definitely what I'm saying, take advantage of that. Because these are things that, what I'm saying, you can take advantage of while they're doing it, and you can buy in. So just to take a look back at the market, SPY is at 420.72. So I'm looking for the entry of, drop down here to the hour for my entry. So that's let's do $421.09. So anything over $421.09, we'll be looking for a call on that with SPY. Let's go to the video real quick.
And don't forget power sticks today too.
Yeah, so. 2:30, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we might probably want to stay out of the market of that. So looking at the video, if we go to the day, we got a nice little pin bar set up right here, which is a good sign. But we did get that inverted on the day candle. So we'll be looking to see if it's gonna go 2 up, 741. Or hold on, let me check that. Make sure my candle right. $738. Okay, so yeah. Oh dang, that thing just dropped quick. All right, so 734. Oh, yeah. All right, so yeah, we can keep that 740. Let's do drop this out real quick. Yeah, so that's right. Yeah, let's do 741. 741, like 84. Catch this little ride up, because then that'll put us two up on the day candle, which is a pin bar. So it's kind of like bouncing back, or what you would call a dragonfly doji, whatever you want to call it. And then if we go 2 down, I like 2 down at 726.96. Because low key is kind of making a in regular head and shoulders. I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but shoulder, head, shoulder. So we're looking at the head and shoulders right there. So it possibly could be about to shoot down. Let's go over here. Huh?
Did you set the alert?
Oh yeah, let me do that. So let me do this put for SPY. For 2075. So let's do 42027. Should be our entry. Those are gonna go to Tesla. But you know, I look at Tesla every day. It's one of my favorite stocks. That's what I like to play. Jump to the day real quick. So just looking at it, we got double bottom right here that it really hasn't shot up on. So we got a double bottom right here. Looking at a little bit of resistance right here. So I like it once we break. I'm cool with anything over 628. Anything over 628, man, I definitely think we get a nice little run out of Tesla. And the reason I'm picking that is because you have this minimum level of support that is if because you could jump in right at 625 and ride it to 628, but you got this little minimum level of support. But if you jump in at 628, now you got this clean move that you could possibly get on Tesla. So that's why I like that. And then if we go two down, let's go two down at because it's at 619. Because what I do is I try to chart the highest probability trades and the cleanest moves so you don't, get caught up in traffic. So it's at 618 right now. I'm gonna go 615.66. So yeah. And then I was also looking at the airlines earlier. Delta. Delta had a nice move for yesterday. It's working on its way going two up. So let's see some. All right, bet. All right, here we go. So if it breaks that 45.97 for Delta, I'll be looking for a call on that. And then if we go two down at 45, let's go 45.15. That point right there, we'll be looking at puts. Might not get much movement this week, but if everything goes right and they give us the volume that we need, we got some pretty good moves set up here. Do I have any questions so far? All right. So looking at Wish, Wish is definitely a coin that they're trying to squeeze. Is at the top of the list, and it is a small account builder. So we are actually almost two up on this coin, or excuse me, on this stock. So I'm talking about crypto too much. uh, Here we go right here. So if we're looking at this, we want to see it break this high right here, and then we could jump in on Wish. But like I said, Wish is kind of like it's like a meme stock right now. So if it breaks the high of that right there, that wick, and yeah, we off in Wish. So that's like 14.19, and we jumping off in. And the reason that we chose the high that wick is because once it breaks a previous high, it's a high probability that it's going to continue up. So you'll be looking at your first target at like 1470, then your next target is going to be like 1546. So if you swing it with time, you can hit both of those targets because right now you have some good volume inside of which being that they're trying to squeeze it.
The top of that week is 14. I didn't have that.
What you got?
The top of that week, I had like 13.
Yeah, I'm sorry, 13.
14. Oh, I had 1303. I was doing that. So should I come above that?
You can leave it at 1396 or 1393. That's cool.
I mean, I'm just
because the break of it would really be like 1403 or something like that.
So it should be 1403 then, the breakup.
Yeah, whatever the break of that is. So right there, and then at that point you got a higher probability of it to continue going up. And then if we go two down, we're going to be looking at 1240 for an entry, which first stop would be like 1189. And then at that point, we probably could fall to 1007. So all right. Go take a look at Dash. Yo, what's good? I'm always gonna look at XOM and FANG. Today is what, Tuesday? So yeah, I'm gonna mark those two up just because I know those are small account builders as well. I'm just going through my initial list right quick. I'm gonna get to it for this pre-market. You know what I'm saying? Just marking up the potential plays.
Jason, you hot, Michael?
So yeah, as you hear the babies laughing in the background. But yeah, Dash, I like Dash over 173.98. So let's do 175. Or dang, it's a big leap from that. Yeah, let's do we'll do the break of this high. It's 174, because then you can ride that up to 170, 177, because that's a big move in Dash. So let's do 174, 40, 40, 174.83. Yeah. And then if we go two down, we're gonna do 168.87. Let's do lower. Yeah, we'll do 168. Yeah, 168.66. Oh, that's fine. 87. And then let's hit XOM. Today is Tuesday. Oh yeah, most definitely. So I definitely like XOM. You know, I'm a fan of that on Tuesdays. Tuesday, Wednesday, that's usually energy day. And for some odd reason, energy plays run. So right now, oil prices are pretty high. So these XOM and stuff like Chevron and MRO and stuff like that, they're getting a little boost right now in their price. So oh yeah, you definitely probably can be looking to short those right now as we see Bitcoin is constantly falling. So I think, you know, like once, so when Bitcoin falls, then usually like the next day, those stocks follow right behind it, right? So I'm recording now. So that's right. That's right. hmm So for XOM, I'm looking at let's do like 63 even. Anything over 63 even, let's try to get that 63.50 call. And then if we go two down and you're trying to play it to the downside, let's go 62.08. Then FANG kind of looks the same. Uh, has XLE bounced back yet? Because it did drop.
I mean, you got time on it.
What we got tonight? Next week, right?
16 next month.
Oh yeah, it's already coming back. So all right, so the good thing about FANG, man, it's about to go two up on the day. So if it goes two up on the day, you're looking at FTC to the upside. When you get FTC, which is full-time frame continuity, to the upside, you got a nice little run that you can have out of that. So you'll probably be looking ahead back to 95.87. That's my old rod formation. I'm gonna erase that. Uh, yeah, so if you get FTC to the upside, FANG is gonna run. So let's look at this count is pretty small as well today. 92, 92.34 for the entry on that. And then if we head down, PMG to the downside, could 90.70 is the entry on that. That'll probably take us back to 89.46. Mhm. Mhm. But yeah, as of right now, man, that's what we're looking at. This is a pre-market markup. So let's see if how the plays pan out. I like to, do the pre-market markup, and then as the market opens, I like to assess my trades and see what went and what didn't go. And whatever didn't go, I like to look at why they didn't go. And and whatever went, I like to see why they went. So you always want to assess your trades, go back and do a little recap of all the plays and look at it, write it down in your journals, trading journals for whatever trade that you got in, and always put why you won and why you lost. Make sure you have a daily goal set for yourself, because today, or not today, it is quadruple witching in effect for this week as well too. So you want to make sure that don't hold your trades too long, because you can get a nice big move, and then that same candle can turn around and go against you because of weird stuff on quadruple witching week, especially the week after quadruple witching. So make sure you're mindful of that as well.